Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are talking about the AOZUO Electric Whiskey Smoker Kit. You can see the box there. It comes ready to go. So easy for giving gifts because it's kind of all packaged in a really nice kit. But let me show you what you get. This is the Electric Whiskey Smoker, and it's a really neat kind of approach to smoking whiskey, mainly because it doesn't require a butane torch. And so that kind of makes this easy. It's got a USB-C port right on the front, and that lets you plug it in. So it's a USB-A to USB-C. So really easy to do that, and it registers the percent charge right on the screen. So that's pretty nice to start. It has two ways of opening it. So you can slide it open, a 160-degree opening, and you can see the chamber there built right inside. Additionally, if you leave it closed, you can actually just pull the little slider out, and that will open up the tray for you to add the wood chips. And it does come with an array of wood chips that includes cherry, apple, pecan, pear, beech, and oak. It also comes with little metal brush and a nice spoon to dose out your wood chips into the smoker. So a really nice kind of a complete kit for doing this. One of the other things that was important to me is that this would fit different glass sizes. So on the bottom, you can see the aperture there, the metal aperture where the smoke actually comes out. And this actually will fit over small, narrow Glencairns or the big kind of rocks glasses or larger whiskey glasses. And so that was something that I thought was really neat, that it's actually small enough to fit like that. So a really nice touch, but let's pour some whiskey. So I'm gonna do the bigger glass here, and I'll grab some rye, and I'm just going to pour a tiny bit there because I'm really curious to kind of go through these different options for the wood chips. So maybe we'll start with oak. I mean, that makes sense, right? We're going to drink a rye. These are often aged in oak barrels. And when you open up the wood chips, you can see there the wood chips are a good amount actually in there. I'm not sure how many ounces that is, but it's plenty. And then I'm going to go ahead and just open up the tray here. Here you can see up close, this device uses flameless arc ignition, so it doesn't require any kind of lighters or butane gas. It prevents that fuel odor from contaminating the whiskey. So a little more safe and sanitary. The body around the edge is made of that flame retardant ABS nylon, so not just a plain plastic that's gonna melt on you. In the front here, it has that nice HD digital display, and a 2-second hold turns that on. Having this battery operated with nice ambient lighting is a really nice touch, so you don't have to plug it in just to, other than to recharge it. So HD display with that top screen shows you the battery life there and the current working status. So it counts down. And then the USB-C rechargeable, but I've used this a little bit, and the battery life is pretty long. They do give you some natural wood chips to use, 6 different kinds. So you get the cherry wood, apple, pecan, pear, beech, and oak over there. So 6 different natural wood chips. And it also comes with a nice little gold scoop there for easy refilling, and a nice brush for cleaning after. So this model has 2 ways of accessing the wood chip drawer. You can either pull out from the front, or you can actually slide it open this way. And that's another way you can access the wood chips, because they just kind of sit right there in the middle. So really easy to have 2 different ways to open the lid. And then once you're done with a cycle, you can use the brush to scrape out any of the charred stuff inside. The box that it comes with is gift ready, so it's got a nice textured black box, and it's got the information about the device right on it. It also has the packing list on the outside, and right inside, my favorite part of this was right inside you've got picture-based instructions as soon as you open the box. So it makes it super easy to get started quickly, really nice gift option, and all the stuff inside comes well padded. And we'll spoon in some of these wood chips and see how this goes. All right. All right, now I'm going to add this back to the tray here. So remind myself what this whiskey tastes like. Caramel. Beautiful whiskey. So the way we do this, really easy. You just set it right on top, and it is a 2-second hold. 1, 2, and you see the ambient light turns on, and this of course will change color. You can set it to different colors, but once it's on, then it is a short touch, and you can hear it kind of spooling up and that electric action creating the smoke, and you can see a little bit of residual smoke. You can smell some. You can see some coming into the glass here. So a really nice presentation as well with the ambient lighting. On the screen, there's a countdown. So not only is it giving me my battery percentage at 99%, but it's also telling me how many seconds of the countdown that there are left. So it's done now. It's done its thing. And if we look in the drawer, we can see that it's just a tiny bit charred, but actually most of the wood chips are still ready for roasting. And that is a really nice thing, because then you're not burning a whole batch just to do one glass. You can smell the smoke in the glass. Very nice. And this is a high-proof whiskey, so part of my curiosity was to see if this would actually do enough that it was something that you could taste as a difference. And so that's really nice. I've had smoked whiskeys at bars that I absolutely didn't prefer. But this is actually really nice. It just adds that little touch of something extra, something really nice. So I'm a fan. I'm really happy with this kit. I think the electric portion of it is really nice, and it makes it a lot simpler than having to get out a big butane torch every time. So hopefully this review is helpful to you. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks so much. Bye.